Online arbitrage. What is it? Why you should do it? And how you make money with this? A lot of times my students ask me, well, why would anybody want to buy something that already selling for a much cheaper price somewhere else? Can't they just go to the source and get it? Yes, that's true. A lot of people can do that, but in most cases, this is not what actually happens. Most cases, people want convenience, they want to find things, and online arbitrage, ever since the internet was invented, is the number one place for you to make money online. So how do you do it? The concept is pretty easy. You find things on sale and sell them for a lot more money. And that's it. It is that simple, the concept. The way you execute it is a little bit less than simple. First, you gotta find the products. You gotta find products in demand that is selling for much cheaper price, such as, for example, this product right here, with actual proof of it being sold, and then you list it up yourself and sell it for much more money. This is something that is really the most time consuming out of it. Yes, it takes a long time to find those deals, but the good thing is once you find reliable and good sources of the products that you're going to be selling, once you find a few of those that is selling and is making you good money, you can repeat this process over and over and over again. Now, there's a few things for you to understand here. Sometimes those deals you find are not going to be there for too long. And because of that, buying wholesale is so much more superior than drop shipping. I know some people like, yes, it is great to sit at home, have no office, and do everything by the computer, automate everything. I understand the appeal of it. But in reality, in most cases, this is not something that is easy for you to do. Finding the dropshipping merchandise that no one else found and shipping and making money with this. Yes, it is for you practical to do, but only for a small amount of your business. This is why I really, and I can't actually put enough emphasis on into doing wholesaling, because where the big money is at is buying at discount and selling it for much more money and finding a source for you to do exactly that. So for example, here at Adidas, it's selling a bunch of those sneakers over here, and it's only for $35. Originally it's going for $70. This is the list price. And yes, once those sneakers no longer sell, they might be selling all the way up to $100. You don't usually see them sell this cheap either. So when you see a deal like this, you want to buy a few pairs and resell them for more cash. And you want to go through a lot of different places, but I do suggest for you, and I can't emphasize this enough, that you need to have a niche. You need to focus on a special occasion. So if you're going to be doing something like selling toys and collectibles, you're going to be much more profitable than selling and being a Walmart of everything. Because when people go to those big box office stores, yes, you have everything in there. But people can just go and drop from your store to another store. You want to specialize in something. The more you specialize, the more easier for you to do this, the more easier for you to find things like it, and more easy for you to stand out in your niche and in your category. So when you go into the Amazon best-selling list and you're going to be doing online arbitrage, you're going to go straight into the source, like toys and games. And over here, you're going to look for things that is on sale and it's going to go for a lot more money in the future. So here we go. We go through the best-selling list right now. We're going to be finding some bargains if we can find them. A lot of times you can't, but sometimes you could. And in this specific case, we hit the jackpot with this. With Prime, this is for $7.99. You get a 10-pack of those. You should be a Prime member, because with Prime you get discount prices on a lot of merchandise. And that's how you make the big money online. You can ship this directly to your house, you can pack it, and you can ship it to your client and still make a profit with this. Because with Prime, sometimes it's half the price that it normally goes for. And I did this quite a few times and I made a huge amount of cash. Another thing that you can do is something called Racketein. You activate this cashback bonus, and each time you buy, and yes, you're going to be shopping a lot, you're going to be making extra cash every single time you're going to be buying things online. And Target doesn't give you the best deal, but sometimes it goes all the way up to like 12%, which is a whooping amount of cash back that you're getting for things that you're buying anyways. So in Target, we have this deals section over here, and we have the clearance, top deals, weekly ad, and red card exclusive. So if you actually have the red card from Target, you're gonna get really good deals. On top of it, also 5% off anything that you buy as well. So this is the good thing about having a Target credit card and opening a credit card in all those different places, because really this business is all about getting deals, finding deals, shopping, buying things, and selling them for much more cash. And that's where you find all the merchandise for you to buy and resell. Right now, you can see right here, this is what is going on. This is the different departments that is on sale here. Let's go to toys and press on here and see what is on sale as a toy. And sometimes you get good deals too here. In this specific case, there's almost nothing good. So we're going to be skipping in this store and going to the next one. And that's how you go ahead and do this. You jump from one store to another. Think like a master, finding things for you to sell. Look for great and awesome deals here, and we go through around. We are doing online arbitrage right now as we speak, looking for things that are going to be selling for much more money. And when we find those deals, we're going to be reposting them. Oh, this is cool. Let me check this one out. The price is a little bit on the steep side, but this is rare and unusual. Let me see what else is going on here, and we go through this. We just look. We look through, and sometimes we get things that is really good price, and other times it is outrageous, like $18 for this minifigure. It used to cost like $4. This is Lego vesting at its finest. And you can see the Jurassic World. I remember this used to be $40. It's now going for a whooping $130. So you can see how the prices drastically went higher in Walmart too. So not always you're gonna get really good deals over here, and sometimes you really have to go to the actual store to get the best deals for those products. Now this thing used to be like $10. Unbelievable how the price just went higher with Legos. You can have made like so much money with buying those Lego sets back in the day when it was super cheap. And I've been telling people over and over, invest in Legos. This is where the big money is at. Another place for you is wish.com. This is like Alibaba. It's similar to Alibaba, but they don't scan all the products here. They have like best of Alibaba. Basically, they just put all the popular and the things that they think is going to be really cool, and it's all around here. And this is a place where you can get a lot of really good merchandise to sell at much more money, but it doesn't scan everything as good when it comes to counterfeits and fakes in here. Unlike Alibaba itself, doesn't have a lot of fakes and counterfeits to begin with. And because of that, I have a whole class just talking about how you can make money in this category all by itself. But if you're looking for the source, getting all the things that are coming directly from the place where you're going to be making the big money, instead of buying wholesale from all over the place, you can find the source right here. You can get things designed for you as well, which is called white label, and you can sell it for much more money. So overall, this whole entire business really is the focus of buying things super cheap, selling them for a lot more money, looking for bargains, looking for deals, and finding how to go ahead and flip those items for much more cash. And that is the way that you do online arbitrage. And in this class, you're going to be looking and learning more about how to list things, how to put things on sale, how to get and maximize the value of the things that you put online.